Alright, so we got a Bosch dishwasher, and it's an E09 era, which needs a new heat pump. So after you pull it out, unplug it. Over there you see the plug, unplug it, and then this comes out on the side, and then you can get to the heat pump and all that stuff on there. Make sure you have room under the sink for the water, electric and drain. To take out the pump, you need to disconnect this band clamp, pull this support out, and then 1, 2 connector you need to remove, and then for the most part this thing just wiggles right out. Alright, so the motor's removed. So the band clamp here, I just pushed with a screwdriver and I twisted and it popped right out, so you can see how you pop it out and it drops. The new motor comes with a new band clamp. You're all set. Alright, so what is E09 error? If you look at these two leads, the two to the right, see that has no continuity on the old motor, but on the new motor has continuity. So the two to the right have no continuity, so the heater's not working. So the new motor, it's working fine. Alright, so the new motor is in, and if you look at the clamp, I didn't go crazy tightening it down. Just snug it up really nice, and you should see a little bit in the rubber, you know, the clamp kind of pushing into the rubber. Then you know it's tight enough, and then you know it's straight because the tab on the where the drain is, where the suck pump goes, I'm sorry, into the sump, that tab is flush, and then you see the rubber mount is straight up and down. And then, you know, when you wiggle this around for a while, you know that it's straight. This is also a good indication too. When you see that line up, that tab line up with that right there, you know that that's a very good indication that it's in. And then got your wires plugged in. Make sure everything's all plugged in tight. I always date parts when I put them in. Sometimes I put an initial, but most of the guys around here, they know my handwriting, so they can see it anyway if they come back for something. And that's it. Dry it up, and you should be good to go. Alright, the dishwasher is back in. Make sure that the hoses in the back are routed okay. I'm going to put a loop in that drain, and I want to run it on a sanitize, and make sure that we're all hunky-dory. We all should be all set.